Okay, so this is a quick video on how I started to do the screen capture. So I downloaded OBS Studio. I'm going to link to that in the description of this video. And so you download and install that program. Then you're going to open up the program. I've already done that, otherwise I couldn't record this. It's on my second monitor. I'm going to pull it over now. So we have like an infinity screen going on because it's recording the same screen now. First thing I did was open it, then you have to go to Tools. It'll probably ask you this already, and do the Auto Configuration Wizard. So you're going to run through that little step, which is pretty basic, and I guess I can't do it while recording to show you, but just click on it and then choose if you want to do streaming directly or if you want to do video recording. I chose video recording because that's what I plan on doing. Do that basic part, then we're going to do the fixing of the audio. So you go to File, Settings. It's going to pop up here. You go to Audio. Here, I changed the desktop audio to whatever you want to use as your audio. I'm doing the headset here. And then the mic auxiliary, I also want for my headset. So I'm going to do that here. I mean, you could choose whatever you have to run. Oh, under advanced priority process for me, I put this as high. And then the color space I changed to 709, which is the highest one. Then you just click apply. All this is right for me. And then, okay, so this is set up with the general beginning of the audio. It tells you to, in the original that I watched about how to do this, it tells you to close the program and restart it to make sure these settings are actually taking effect. Um, Now you need to go to capture devices down here. So you want to add your capture devices, which is video capture, and then you're going to add one, which for me I did the webcam. If you want to add the webcam, you can, and it will make a secondary little piece that you can have. So this is me on my webcam if you want to do like real streaming where the people show up or whatever. And I'm not super into that, but you can change the size and make it big, or you can make it small and then shove it, like a lot of people shove it to the corner so that you can see the actual monitor. For me, I don't love that, and I don't want to be here. Sorry. Well, you can hear my voice, but let's just not do the video. So I'm going to turn that off. You can turn that off down here by, view or not view. So then you add a second one, and display capture is what I did, and then add existing. For me, it was monitor 1. You can change that. You can also have it just be, if you want it to be like just a window, so you specify what window you want to capture from. This is all up to you depending on your settings, what you want to do. So then you can manipulate this how you want. You can have more captures going on, and I mean, it really depends on what your device can do. But this is the basics. So then over here, this is where you start and stop your recordings. I'm going to leave that little chunk of weirdness in, and maybe later I'll talk about how to edit it out in Premiere, which is in our Adobe suite, which we all have access to as students. It's a really good video editing thing. I'm sure you can do video editing in here too, but I don't know how to do that yet. I haven't taken the time to go through all the settings, but this is just a basic how to start. So once I finish, I'm going to press stop, and then it automatically is already set up to throw stuff to my video section. So it'll end up here, and then you can either take it into a different editing suite, which is what I would do personally because I know Premiere better than I know this program. And then you can just upload those to YouTube. Maybe I'll make another one on how to upload to YouTube another day, but this is just the basics so we can get started on capturing screens. Thanks for checking it out. Like it if you like. Add any notes. If you have any ideas of how to make this better, easier, faster, simpler, different programs you like to use, link them in the comments. I mean, this is not perfect. I'm just trying to figure out some stuff and how to set it down so other people can follow it, or I can follow this myself again in case I need to. Thanks.